Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to use hidden YouTube swipe gesture. So how to see this hide gesture? You will have to move in the phone settings of Android device. So from here you will just a little bit scroll and you will see the convenience tools. So just tab it, and from here you will see the navigation buttons. Just tap to this navigation buttons, and from here you will see just select the swipe gesture from both sides. So you will see this is the setting of the gesture of hidden feature. So you will see the hide gesture guide bar. Just turn it on and switch to previous app. You will see. Now I will teach you. I will just open the YouTube and you will see how I will back. I will just play this video and you will see this is I will just touch this to forward this video. So you hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.